Hi, I'm going to talk about descriptive statistics based on randomly generated data set of 102 heights. The first data is located at A4 cell and the last data is located at cell A105 all the way down over here, just right over here. Based on the given data set, I'm gonna find the mean, median, mode, minimum, maximum, range, and standard deviation. Also, I'm going to enter my heights in inch over here. Then I'm going to calculate the z-score and percentile rank of my heights. To find the mean value, I'm going to enter equal, type in average, double click on the average function right over here. Then I'm going to enter the first data cell A4 colon the last data cell A105, close the parenthesis, enter. The average value is 67.9. To find the median, equal, type in median, double click on the median function, enter the whole data set cell, enter. The mean and median are almost equivalent. To find the mode, double click on the mode function, enter the whole data set cell. Alright, that's the mode. Minimum is the lowest number from the data cell of the data. Equal mean, double click on the minimum function, enter the whole data. That's the minimum. The maximum is the maximum number from the data set, max. Double click on the maximum function, enter the whole data set. That's the maximum. The range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum. So I'm gonna copy the maximum here, minus the minimum, enter. The range is 19.1. Standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out the numbers are. Standard deviation decreases as the numbers get closer to each other, and the opposite is true. So to find the standard deviation, just enter equal, type in std. I'm going to select this function, std-ev function, enter the whole data set. Standard deviation is 3.9. I'm going to enter my height, 66 inch. That's my height, 66 inches. To find the z-score, I would like to talk a little bit about z-score. Z-score is the distance between a data and the average value, and z-score is expressed in the number of standard deviation. So z-score tells us how many standard deviation we have between the data and the value of the average. To find the z-score, equal, copy my height, then minus the average value divided by the standard deviation, because we would like to know how many standard deviation are there between the distance of the data and the average value. So copy the standard deviation here. So the score is negative 2.2. This means my height is below average at 2.2 standard deviation. Alright, to find my percentile rank, equal percentile, I'm going to select percent rank dot exclude. This function excludes the first percentile and the last, which is the 100th percentile. So to calculate the percentile rank of my height, I'm going to enter the whole data set. then comma after the whole data set, and copy my height, comma, close the parenthesis, enter. Here you go, my percentile is 0.3 or 30%. This means there are 70% people who are taller than me, and there are 29% people who are shorter than me. Thank you very much.